We're going to be making some Moringa Salsa Verde to go on along with our pollo con crema, also with Moringa. That's going to be on another video, but for now, this is the ingredients you'll need for the Moringa Salsa Verde. 4 tomatillos, 1 jalapeno, and a couple of Serrano peppers. If you don't have any jalapenos, you can just use Serranos, or vice versa. If you have no Serranos, you can use just jalapenos. And you have a bunch, about a quarter cup of fresh cilantro and some Moringa powder, along with some salt of your choice. Today we're using Himalayan pink salt, and a clove of organic garlic, and a little quarter of a vidalia onion. So that's the ingredients. And what you do first, you want to take these tomatillos and place them to boil in a light boil for roughly 20-30 minutes, along with the chili peppers. And we're going to top that to cover it up so it brings it up to a light boil, and just let that simmer until the tomatillos start to change a little color and they start to split. We'll be back when that's done and give you the mix. And in the meanwhile, we're going to make another video with the pollo con crema with Moringa also, and this is what's going to top it. So it's going to be a delicious mix. We'll be right back. We're back after the tomatillos have boiled, and they'll look like about this. If they split open, that's okay. That just means they're cooked to perfection. So we drained most of the water out. You want to leave a little bit of the water so it gives the salsa a good consistency. And we're going to add that along with the previous ingredients showed in our blender here, and give that a nice mix up. And once our pollo con crema is done, we're going to show you the finished product. So sit back and relax and get ready for the surprise. So we have our finished product here. We have our pollo con crema that's made with some corn tortillas and topped with our new Moringa Salsa Verde recipe. There we have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe for more Moringa recipes coming up. Next one in line, I believe, is going to be Moringa chili. So, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.